Sorry, isa pa. Thank you.
Second round ba? Pito na ako. Ako na lang bayaw. Kasi wala na. Ako na lang bayaw. Ang dami nanihira sa ano sa akin. Pero hindi ako nanihira.
Next call, yung Sikosa. Sikosa. Yalas. Panan, Labon, Bauluman. Pascual, Makake, Lopez Susol. Lopez Susol, Sikosa. Tuyuki. Nakapilino. Next set, Team Masauti Sorbet, Sertifikan, Semalana, Ae, Enriquez, Riquito, Matiknya, Exile, Manzano, Santiago, Yula, Alawi, Sisa, Ayala. Yung team, Isel Saudi. Riquito, Arena, Exile, Manzano, Santiago, Yula, Alawi, Sisa, Gana.
Ba't hindi mabigat? Ba't mabigat?
Saludos.
magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our Abonita Basketball Academy here at STI Cubao. Ayan, we would like to thank our person to acknowledge the presence of Police Brigadier General Marvin Joe Saro, our Deputy Director of DPCR, and Police Brigadier General Lodimir Leoneta, our Director Engineering Service, and a shout out din po kala Paul Han Military Supplies, Police Colonel Mon Sawan, or Referee PMAJ Boyong Banan, our official board sponsor sa PSSLAI, the Public Safety Savings and Loan Association Corporation, and kay Sir Alvin Lejano, Class 2006, Sir Ulysses Dimitui, Class 1998. This is your Abonita Basketball Academy, the Sansinirangan Class 2007, Police Lieutenant Colonel Alex Abonita, our Tournament Director, Police Captain Allen Malapit, our Tournament Operation Head, and our Police Major Charles Carino, our Tournament Administrator, PSMS Antonio Javier Jr., our Commissioner. Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating Abonita Basketball Academy.
Good luck.
Ayan, nare-repost na lang po natin itong live. Mukhang hirap tayo sa signal dito po. Jai! Good luck. Lacan Boleros Academy. Amen.
Okay, first side. First side, first side.
Bro, paano po ito secret? May second 2 games?
Same last week, 2 games.
Alright, sige, sige po.
Pero, tingnan natin. Yung performance. Sure, wala. Okay na to. Sir, may ano lang, password, sorry. Ano lang, okay na po, side na lang po.
Thank you.
Okay, sir, first side, first side.
Apo, kayo ba lang? Ay, sige, sige. Okay, let's go.
Dito,
First quarter. Bad pass. Down and one. Chip, prep. Kaya ang space lang po. Thank you. No good. Number 13. Block from behind by number 13. Sub? Idalas. I see. Steal. Uy, no good. No good. Rebound ng Dark. Wide open. Short. Number 24. Miss. And rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Four, 4-3. No good. Drop pass. Serve parada. Bow. By jersey number 24.
General Pranada.
General Pranada.
Alam mamaya. Team Pranada versus Team Masaudi.
Sige po.
Sa page ko na yan?
Apo.
Galing ah.
Side step, kick out, wide open, in and out. For 3, yes sir. By jersey number 17. Number 23, short. Gets a foul. Number 21, shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second free throw, miss. Rebound. Ang Dark. Ayan na, what a nice layup, miss. Alley-oop. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Spin. Oh, and one. By jersey number 21. That's Garna. Basket. Count plus a foul para kay Garna. Last 6 minutes tayo. Here we go. Ayun na, mga naka-dark shirt. Kick out. Jump shot. Basket. Number 23. Running shot. Basket is good. Down by 1. 6-7. Number 24, pass to number 13. Bad pass, steal by number 2. Number 2, nagpamadali. Number 2, derecho, and 1 for jersey number 2. Almine. Sir Almine, change favor. Lamang ang light. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Almine. Wala. Oh, offensive rebound. Taas naman ang tumalo nun. Binalik. Wide open. Short. Rebound ng Dark. Pass number 24. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound ay number 24. Number 0, drop pass to number 21 and gets the foul.
Four minutes na.
Ay, wait na po ah. Uy. Sub. Mandatory substitution. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35. Eight, 7. Out. Number 26 to number 16. Basket. For jersey number 16. Yes, out of bounds. Light ball. Almost a steal. Strong. Lock from behind. Derecho. Basket by number 77 or 777. 777 yun. Garcia. Crossover. Trapas. Uy, wala. Number 23. 777. Out of bounds. Last touch. Number 08. Number 08. Kick out. Wide open. Bang! 3. For the Lacana. Light. Babawi sa tres. Wala. Rebound naman ako puti. Half step. Pass number 12. Sa loob. 08. Drop pass. To number 08. Fade away. No. Oy. Jump shot, no good. Another rebound. Wala. Basket. 13-11. Basket. All 13. Number 2. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Last 1 minute. 1 minute para sa ating first period. Bola rito ng Light. Wide open for 3. Short. Rebound. And out of bounds. Tabla tayo sa Torres. Number 28. 26 to number 6. Number 6 looking for his teammate. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni number 20. Number 20. To number 2. Saved by number 20. Running shot. No good. Number 8. Basket yan. Out of bounds. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. 3 seconds. 3 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Uy, mati ka na. And that's the end of our first period. 15-30 and 2-point lead para sa Light team. Ayan, dalawa lamang ng... ay, thank you po.
Tapos nag-send ako ng mga logo.
Okay. Coach! Ay. Sir, paano lang ang spelling? A-R-E? End-to-end. Ito yung sa kabili po ng Dart. Ito, Dart yung Masaudin. Aba, ito sila kalaban na sa sunod. Ay, di po. Sige po. Go, next fight. Boss, running time tayo. Ayan. Police Major General Masauding versus Police Brigadier General Franada. Ayan. Lamang ang team ni Police Major General Masauding ng dalawa. And special thanks din tayo sa AI-AS Specialist Goods Trading, Stay Low-Key Shoes, Cleaning and Services, Young Living Essential Oils by Mimi Jo, or Mimi Jo, and Paul Hans Military Supplies, and shout out din sa PSSLAI. We're going to the second half. Second quarter. Let's go. Wala. Wala rito ng dark. Jump shot, no good. Bad pass. Out of bounds. Light ball. Number 21. Kick out. Wide open. No good. Rebound by number 13. To number 94. 19-13 ang ating talaan. Number 17 to number 13. Fake. Sa loob, number 3. Basket. For jersey number 3. Number 10. Didiskarte. Rapas, almost a steal, kick out, number 988. Oh no! Side step, number 3 and 1. Basket count, pass the bar by Gaspar. The collection. By number 3, that is Gaspar. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Goodness, basket. Change favor, lamang na ang Lakan Dark. Side step and a steal. Number 8, drop pass. Oh, good. Out of bounds. Last touch, bola rito ng light. Dark ball. Come. Bad pass. Wide open, short, rebound by number 21. Number 21 ang mamadali. Pinigay sa corner. Number 94. Cross-court pass. Up and under and score by number 10. Balik ang Kalamangan sa light. Isa lang po. 19-18. Drop pass. Out of bounds. Dead ball tayo, ha? Oy, wala. Good. Number 10. Up. Stop. Three for the team Lacan Light. Mandatory substitution. Time remaining 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 22-18. Apat lamang po ng team Mr. Major General Masauding. Ano ba lang scorecard? 22-18 po. Ay, ano po? Apat. Number 24, jump shot. Oh! First basket. Sir, number 24. Cross-court pass. Number 08. Bigay sa corner, fake. Kick out. Number 22, drop. No good. Gets a foul. Dahan-dahan ka dyan, ha? Dahan-dahan. Sama. Diba? Out of bounds. Short. Sir Abonita, dere. Ay! Grabe naman nun. For Sir Boy Abonita. Tabla tayo sa 22. 22 all. Kick out, wide open. Bam! At may sagot din ang Ulang Light. Ayun na, Sir Boy, kick out. Number 20 to form, too strong. Number 1, and gets a foul.
Number 21, this is the seventh personal foul.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds. 24-22. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Lamang po dalawa ang Light. Dalawa po. Number 23, pass number 8, binigay kay number 815. Cross-court pass to number 23. Number 23, running shot, no good. Rebound. Ay naman ang team, Sir Boy, up and under. Uy! Rebound, Sir Boy, pass to number 29. Back to Sir Boy, uy! Whoa! Wow! What a shot! What a nice finger roll! Why, Sir Boy, Abonita? Number 21, bounce pass. Kick out to number 08. Number 08, stop and bomb, short. Rebound ng mga laki team. Number 29, short. Bounce pass. Basket. Lamang na. 24-26. Lamang ang Dark ng dalawa. Wala.
Dila sir, masaksan na ako dyan. Sana mabot.
Korea. Sir Boy all the way. Change favor. Sagutan tayo. 28-27. 1 point lead. Oh, there's a foul. Alright, back to ball game.
Fifteen seconds remaining.
Wala pa po. 10 seconds. Wide open. No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay! Alright, mag-out muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa ating Agbonita Basketball Academy dito sa Lacan Boleros kay Coach Boy.
Dark tayo, dark.
We're going to the third quarter. Strong. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Team Light. Number 24. Cross court pass. Number 94. Top of the key for 3. Wala. May number 7. Basket. 29-28 lamang ang isa. Ang Team Lacan Light. Bad pass, still. Number 2, all the way. Basket yan. 31-28, tatlo lamang ng Light. Number 13. From the corner, kick out, block. Number 23, fade away, basket yan. 31-30. Number 2, running shot. Oopsie. But there's a foul. Isa lang po, 31-30. Isa lang po.
Number 17, naglalaro bola. Number 17, pasa sa Destroyer.
Pass number 13, win. Oy. Tatlo po, lamang. Oy. There's a foul. Basket yan. Hello po. Second shot by jersey number 23. Bounce. Hello po. 33-32. 1 point lead for the team live. That's a 3 seconds violation. Oy. 3 seconds din. So, lamang po, change favor. Lamang ang dart ng isa. Number 2, Essie. Third quarter po. Third. On the free throw area, number 20. Tabla tayo sa 34. O 35-34. Ooh, what a nice move. May 15 seconds. Time out. Time out. Time out. Dark.
Wala natin, sir. Sir, time out.
Time out.
Change 5 na yan, sir.
Di pa po.
Di pa.
Time out naman. Time out na po.
Sino nasa loob? Sir.
Ito natin ang huddle ni si Coach Boy Abonita. And syempre, shoutout natin muli ang Stay Low-Key Shoe Cleaning Services. Ayan, by Stay Low-Key. Ayan, shoutout kila Sir Anthony Cruz and Low-Key Cruz, sa pamilya Cruz. Ayan, kila Ma'am Cha Cruz. Happy viewing po.
Akala ko, time out. Sige.
Ay,
Akala ko, inbound natin, sir. Sorry, sir.
back to the ball game. Lamang po ang light. Lamang nagsa ang light.
Sino ang ano dyan?
15 seconds pa po. 15 seconds. Change court na po tayo. Change 5. Kick out. Pass to number 20. Fake. Number 12. Wide open. Short. Number 13. Bad pass. Change 5. It's a mandatory substitution. All right, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. (37, 36). 4-3 short. Rebound ng Dark Team. Number 17. Bad pass. It's a backcourt violation. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 17, no good. Rebound. Derecho, no good. And out of bounds. Number 26. There's a foul. Number 0. Kick out. Number 30. Using the board. Miss. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Uy. Almost. Kick out. There's a foul. 7 seconds. Ay, reset. 2 shots for jersey number 0. Basket.
Kasi hindi naman mararamdaman mo.
Short. Give and go, number 0, no good. Wide open, short, and out of bounds. Two minutes and 17 seconds. Still. Last time meron, di ba? Last time meron. Kick out, wide open, no good. Rebound ng Dark. Last 2 minutes tayo, last 2 minutes, the third quarter. Tabla tayo sa 38. All. 59 seconds. Jump shot. No. It's a foul. Number 30. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Forty seconds. Wide open. Wala. Still. The third quarter, all 38. All. Alam po, all. All 38 lang po tayo, ha? All 38. All 38. Ganda ng laban, dikitan lang.
Banta mo ng Team Masauding versus Team
Ay, sige.
Yung light is Team Masauding. Tapos yung dark, Team Pranada.
Dito na rin yung mamaya po, no? Same lang din, same lang din.
Ah, same lang.
Okay, same.
Ah.
All po, all.
Number 24.
Oh, good. Drop pass to number 20. Fake, drive, and score. Balik ang kalamangan sa mga nakaputi. Running shot. Oy, too strong. Number 94. Sir Masauding. Kick out. Fake. Cross direction. Uy. Grabe naman ang depensa nun. Coach Boy. Coach Boy, grabe depensa nun ha, coach ah. Pull up chair. Number 77, kick out. Sir Boy, drive, basket. Ooh. Tabla tayo sa 40. All 40. Oy, side step, short. Rebound, number 12. Oh, there's a foul.
Number 13. It's the world versus
Number 2. No good. Number 23. No good. Sir Boy. What a pass. No good. Ayun na, mga nakaputi. Kick out. And one! Basket count as a foul. Sub? Parag. Sub. Sige po. May nalaba. Sige po. Good. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Wide open, short. 6 minutes. Stop. 6 minutes. Six. 6 minutes and 39. Ano na po, running time. .42-40, dalawa lang po lamang ng line. Sige po. Cross court pass. Wide open. Bam! List naman na. Ayan na, Sir Boy. Nagpapadali. Up and under. And it's a foul. Sub. Sub na po, sub.
Minuto pa.
5 minutes and 10 seconds po.
Remaining time, 5 minutes, 10 seconds.
Lima po. 45-40. Lima po. Kalaban. Laban. Basket. Mabasa 4 na lamang po ang inahabol ng team ni Sir Pranada. Basket yan. 3 na lang. 45-42. 2-4-2 para Sir Boy Abonita. Side step. Oh! Nakalusot. Too small daw, sabi. Ayan na ang number 8 drop pass to number 17 and gets the foul. Number 23.
This is the first personal foul.
3 shots. Wala. Basket. 4 minutes and 39. Second shot. No. Rebound. Time out na po. Time out. Block team. 47-42. 5-point lead. 5 in favor of Sir. The team of Sir Masauding. Time remaining 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Ayaw mo muna ang team ni Sir Pranada.
Official score. 47-42. 4 minutes.
Alright, back to the ball game. Kick out. Bounce pass. Strong trail ang block. Sir Boy nagpapadali and there's a foul.
Foul number 21.
Number 21.
Penalty. Wala pa.
Wala pa na po. Third personal foul. Team 14 foul. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Sir Boy, floater, wala. Rebound, kick out. Number 24, Sir. Para kay Sir Pranada, our police brigadier general. Sir Pranada. 47. 4-3, no good. Ay, sorry. Okay lang po. Sige lang. On the free throw area, number 21. Wala. Sergarna. No good. The rebound by number 0. Sergarna. That's a travel. 47-44. 3 minutes left. Last 3 minutes. Oh, that's a travel. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. 47-44. Tatlo lamang ng team ni Sir Masaudin. Our police general Masaudin. Sir Masaudin, pass to Manzano. Binigay sa corner. Number 20, Kirat Kal. Ayun na, mahabol. Sir Boy Abonita. Grabe yan, coast to coast. By Sir Boy Abonita. Number 20, setting on the play. Pass to number 94, Sir Mauding. Kick out. Wide open, Sir Mauding. 4-3. Short. Sayang, Sir Mauding. Time out. White. Or a team ni Sir General Masauding. 4 labang po ng team ni Sir Masauding. 4 po. 4. 2 minutes and 3 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Hindi natin ang huddle ng team ni Sir Masauding. Or police Major General Masauding. So wala sa ating mga kapulisan Last 2 minutes. Wala. Setting on the play. Wide open, short, rebound by Sir Boy. Sir Boy, Abonita, nagmamadali. Abonita binigay, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Sir Boy. Sir Boy, too strong. There's a foul. Time out! Time out, lakan. Wait, time out dito si Sir Police Major General Masauding. 1 minute and 19 seconds. 50-46. Both teams under penalty situation. Sir Boy ang mag-inbound. Oh, steal! Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 23. Oy! Bounce pass number 0. No good. Sir Boy! Wala. There's a foul. Last 46 seconds. 46 seconds. 46.
Penalty kami.
Lahat po parehas. Parehas po, parehas. Parehas penalty ha. 46. Apat. 50. Basket. 5. 51-46. Last 46 seconds. 46 na lamang po natitira sa ating laban ng first game. 2 for 2. Ayan na, 7 lamang. 46. 6 pala, sorry. 6-point lead. Uy, there's a foul. Penalty tayo, both team under penalty. Anim. Op, technical. Last 33 seconds. Anim. 33 seconds, coach. 33. Uy. Last shot. Wow. Ayan na. 5 na lang. Last 30 seconds. Both teams penalty po ha. Penalty parehas. Oh, traveling violation. Last 14 seconds. 14 seconds remaining. Oy, naka-full court. Kaya sino bibigyan? Oy, pinagay. Pass to Sir Boy. Sir Boy kick out. Jump shot. No. Makuha ng mga laputi. Ayan na. Oy. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations para sa team Police Major General Masauding. And nice game para kay sa team ni Sir Police Brigadier General Pranada. Ayan na. Our final score 52-47. Panalo po ang Team White. Magbabalik po tayo para sa ating second game. Mamaya na lang po lang. Isayin ko na lang, coach. Alright, magbabalik po tayo para sa ating game. Next game.